Did you know ukuthi umuntu ayikho lento bathi ukuthi umuntu uchintshile? I'm going to explain. Umuntu akini thanks. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Ningizwile ukuthi ngithini? Ngithizeni njengamuJapare sasa niba millionaire. Nangiqala ngi-actor snacks. Abantu angibabulisi. Ngigijimisa amantombazana ngilalele nale ngikhunga angisanqenge. But hayi beka nganamali. Uvukile umalambana. Akasasibulisi nefamily akasayazi hambela phezulu yenza ama new friends akasazi uyadelela ukhohlakela yenza abantwana everywhere uchintsha imali bengitshele imali ayina ability yokuchintsha umuntu ngizo explain now thatha imbewu ifake emhlabathini ini imbewu ya apple la ifake emhlabathini uthela amanzi lamanzi awachintshi lembewu abe ihlahla menye mara lamanzi it's calling out the tree that's inside the seed. The tree was all along inside, but it took the right soil, the right season, the right time, and the fertile ground to call. Ngoba lembewu nani, it's got an embryo. Lembewu yenzani, it dies, it decomposes, it gets rotten. After it died, decomposed and got rotten, then the tree is coming out of the seed. The water, it rises moisture. The water did not create the tree, but the water called the tree out of the seed. So umuntu nakachintsha imali ayimchintsha beka njalo imali expose lento eyibhankile ngonina imali yenzeni iexpose lento beyenzeni bebhanke phakade hayi ukuthi imali imenzeni imchintshile beka njalo mara imali yakhipha ubuwena ukuthi wena ngubani kunabanye abantu ne bangahlala bangaba next day baba nemali you see another person dala anjalo it's just ukuthi lento imali amplify that which is inside ngithi mina it is the routine and life come from death ngithi impilo iphuma kuphi lalelani ngendlela ngithule ngayo la ngithusa nilava re yena ngithusa nile kokoni lalela yeah no even uphuma nzima mhlawumbe akale bazobuyapi now watch now life come from where from death life come from death bengenze example ngicela ningilalela yonke into ephilayo iphuma somewhere ekufeni. I'm going to make an example ukuJapare wine now tshala like I said kunezinto ezi3 that you must put in consideration